Good morning. I am going to walk you through the startup and use procedure of our 4-foot and 8-foot MAXPRO hemp buckers. So you can see them behind me. Here's our 4-foot version and here's our 8-foot version. The diesel engines with the hydraulic drive system is intact. We're going to go over there and go through the startup. So we go up to the diesel engine under here. And we wait for the glow plugs to heat up. There we go. Now we're going to climb the stairs and go up to the operations control panel. And right here, control stick for the brush assembly. Pull the locking ring back right here. Lift up to engage the brush assembly. To stop the brushes, simply get the control stick down to the middle position. There you go. Critical extract 8-foot MAXPRO hemp bucker.